All right, we are doing problem number 6, and we're going to find the volume of this cylinder. The formula for the volume of a cylinder, volume is pi r squared h. R is the radius of the cylinder. H is the height of the cylinder. So the radius, well, let's see, it's 6 all the way across. So that means from here to here would be 3. Okay, so the radius would be 3. So pi times 3 squared times the height, and the height would be this measurement right here, how tall it is. I don't have that. So I'm going to have to figure out what that is. But notice they gave us a right triangle inside of this cylinder right there, that right triangle right there. And so let's take a look at that right triangle separate from the rest of the shape for just a second. Right triangle. We have 6, we have 10, and we need this height right here of the cylinder, which is this side of this right triangle. So we're going to do a problem to solve our problem. So this problem, we're going to do the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The c is the hypotenuse, and this right angle points to the hypotenuse, so that's the 10. The two legs are the h and the 6. I'm going to put the h there and the 6 here. If I'm going really fast on this one, that's because I've already done 2 of these. And so if you want to go back and watch the previous 2 questions, I do this a little bit slower. H squared, 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. 10 squared is 100. 10 times 10 is 100. Subtract 36 from both sides. It'll be, what is that, 64? H squared, the 36 minus 36 is gone. Get rid of the squared, we do the square root of both sides. And so h is, square root of 64 is 8. So now we did this problem to find this measurement, and we did that because we wanted to find this measurement, which we now know is 8 yards. So now we can go back to our original question. Volume of this cylinder, pi r squared, h we now know is 8. So now we can find the volume. Pi, turn my calculator on, pi times 3 squared times 8 is 226.19. 226.19, but since that's a 9, 226 it'd be 0.2, rounded off to the nearest tenth, and it'd be yards cubed. And that is problem number 6.